In this video, we'll look into sort transformation. Drag the data flow task, double click, go to OLEDB source, and we'll take a table. There is a names1 table, amp name. Okay, we go here. There is a names1 table in SQLBIBYTES database. That names1 has got amp name A, B, C, D. So we've chosen this names1, and let us drag the sort transformation. Name, sort type, let us choose descending. Okay, now show that I'll show it in a data viewer. So let us drag this derived column. Let this sort to this derived column. Right click here and enable data viewer. So now run this. DCBA. So it has sorted in the descending order because we asked it to sort in the descending order. Successfully run this. Let us recap this. So we have got in this table, names1 table, your basics, we have A, B, C, D, and we have taken a sort transformation and got this amp name, and we are sort type, we are asked it for descending, and we have taken a derived column here, connected it to it, and enabled a data viewer here to show the records. And when we executed that, it has sorted it in descending order, DCB. So that's how you can use the sort statement. In SSIS. Now let us look at another example. Let us create a table. Create table basics dot dbo dot sort test. Take name, record 1. So now let us insert into basics.dbo.sortTest values capital A, B, C. We'll insert capital DEF and capital CHI. Now we'll insert the small letters. The small ABC, small def and small g. In insert capital A, small bc, small a, small d, capital ef, small gh, capital I. So here the first letter is capital, here the next two letters are capital, here the last letter is capital. So here let us see the sort test is not there. Let's create this table, drag this down, right click tables, fresh. We are in SQL basics here, the database. Sort test table has been created. The columns name is varchar of 50. And let us insert these values here. Now let's see the select star from SQL basics dot vo dot test. We have A B C D F H caps letters small. All these have been entered into the database. So now let us go to SSIS. Here we'll drag the data flow task, double click, go to OLEDB source and rename this as sort test. So from SQL basics we'll get the data from sort test, the data from sort test, amp name, and now we can drag this sort transformation, select it and select the amp name. So amp name should be in the ascending order. Okay, so now I'll take this derived column just to show. And here let me enter a duplicate value. Here ABC I'm entering twice. Okay, so we'll have two ABCs, capital ABCs here. Okay, see we have this ABC, capital ABC, and we have this capital ABC here. There are two records, so we entered a duplicate record for ABC. So let's see here and right click here and enable data viewer, execute. So we got a sorting in ascending order, small ABC, A letter A comes first. So capital A, small bc, capital ABC, and then capital ABC again, and then DEF, small d, and capital E, capital F, capital DEF, GHI, GHI. So this is how it has sorted. But we have this ABC and ABC, both the duplicated records we have got it. So if we want to remove those duplicate records, we'll just make a change here, sort, and here remove rows with duplicate sort values. Remove rows with duplicate sort values. Okay. Now if I execute again, ABC, ABC, capital ABC, and the capital ABC is gone now. So that's how we can remove these duplicate values using sort. Sort transformation is resource intensive. Then you should use the sort transformation if absolutely required. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.